Got a minute? Great. Let's unlock the future together with AI and tech startups. Welcome to Futurestack Tech, where we bring the cutting edge of IT, software, technology, and AI right to your screen. Whether you're a curious newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. Imagine transforming your business with AI tools that automate tasks, improve decision-making, and drive growth. Or scaling your startup with the latest tech innovations. Sound like a dream? It's happening right now. Here, we'll explore real-world case studies, feature expert interviews, and break down complex concepts into bite-sized tutorials. Plus, we'll keep you ahead of the curve with the latest trends and news in the tech world, but it's not just about learning, it's about community. We're building a space where tech enthusiasts from all walks of life can connect, share ideas, and grow together. So, hit that subscribe button, join our journey, and let's unlock the future of technology, one video at a time. Ready for the ride? Let's go.